I tried the CPA marketing of this popular
The target
YouTuber's
here is
video,
1,000.
and I will share with you what I earned on CPA market offer so far and the procedure I used to make what I earned.
The target here is $1,900, and that's what you can make by CPA marketing.
I will also be sharing with you what works and what you
What's
should
going
not
on,
waste
entrepreneur?
your time on with CPA marketing offer. I will base my video on Daniel Ozu's CPA strategy for 7 days where he used Golden Goose platform, and I will show you my chart with Golden Goose CPA admin on how he trained me to make fast money. But does it works? Follow me till the end of this video as I will unveil all you need to know based on my experience with CPA marketing. What I need from you is to share this video to your social media platform for your friends to know what CPA offer to avoid and see what works for all. Also like this video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell as I will be dropping more scam updates for you to avoid. Thanks to Daniel Ozu for his great work. The fact is, not everyone can go through all what he said in his video and get same result or better one. Even though Daniel went extra mile to advertise with his first earning so as to get results on his 7-day strategy of promoting CPA market offer. You get paid for promoting product and services. And another better alternative to CPA offer is freelancing. See my video that pop up above on 2 freelancing to make quick money on. My strategy. I have watched lot of content on how to strategize your CPA marketing. And what I did was to make small article online about Golden Goose on my website, which I'm showing on the screen, and publish it online for search engine and social media platform for general public view. But with all my traffic, my result was shocking. Some of the offer that works generally to me is survey. See my video on survey flakes. It's free to earn. Even though on Daniel video, he said he DM people, at least 100 people every day for 7 days as part of his strategy, and that's only when he gets results. But to promote CPA offer, you need to know who are those that really need the product or services that you are sharing and not to waste your time trying to make money and eventually get no click, not to talk of taking further action on the offer. See my results. Here are the amount I made so far, and that is 0 USD. Even though my content is still on, there are people to engage with more click, but the necessary action were not taken for me to earn, and that's why I earned 0 USD. My opinion is CPA marketing is real, but to make meaningful money, you need traffic. This can be from your social media, WhatsApp status, Twitter, now X, Facebook page, and groups to like and perform the required tasks you are offering. You need to pick mouth-watering offer that people cannot resist, and that's only when to make money. Targeting high-earning countries like US, UK, and possibly low and economic draft countries that really need earning and provide them with those offer option too. The fact remains it is not straightforward to make money through CPA marketing as a beginner, but with consistency and learning new strategy, then nothing is impossible. Leave a comment below on how you promote your CPA market offers, and I'll be happy to assist from my own side. One of the things to put in mind is that getting audience to promote your offer is very important. So if you want to make money with CPA, then try CPAlead and CPAgrip offer and go for their jaw-dropping offer that will interest your audience to make money. Also see my playlist on money making alternative. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do like and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next top video.